Local news for Tuesday the 9th of October. Mike Clogue from Cleveland Bakeries once again a champion after being named as New Zealand's best baker in the Farmers Mill Great New Zealand Bake Off competition. Making bread live in front of judges, Mike walked away with the title after producing a Comfort Garlic Country sourdough loaf. Whareama School has won a nationwide competition with Rabobank. The small Wairarapa school has had a day's labour and $5,000 towards school projects being awarded, such as the Fiji Garden and development of a BMX track. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern and Vice Security Minister David O'Connor will visit a farm in Wairarapa today to discuss progress on the microplasma bovis eradication program and set out the recovery package helping farmers get back to business. Julie and Bryce Stevenson are one of more than 30 farming families restocking after being cleared of the disease. And in sport, Masterton's Ethan Pankhurst has won the Open Novice section of the Spring Shears held in Waimati in South Canterbury at the weekend. David Buick and Parata Abraham picked up second and third places in the Open final.